Good morning, students. Welcome back to the digital learning class, to the fourth standard social studies class. In last class, we have learned fifth lesson climate in India. Today, we will learn sixth lesson soil. In this video, we shall learn formation and importance of soil, different kinds of soil in India, part 1. First, we should know what is soil. Soil andre eno? Soil means mannu, mitti. Soil is very important natural resource and is a vital role for growth of plants life. So, what is natural resource? Natural resource means the things which occur from the nature are called natural resources, like soil, forest, water, etc. So, soil comes in natural resources. Soil is very important natural resource and is a vital role for growth of plants life. It is made up of a mixture of fine particles of rocks, mud and humus. Now comes what is rocks? Rocks andre eno? Rocks means kallu. Stones. Mud means soft, wet earth. Now comes humus. Humus is the organic matter in the soil. It is made up of dead parts of plants and animals. This is the soil. Soil is made up of a mixture of fine particles of mud, rocks and humus. Now comes formation of soil. ಮಣ್ಣು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? Soil is formed when huge rocks on the earth break up due to the intense heat of the sun, strong winds, rain, along with the decaying of animals and plants waste. See students, ಮಣ್ಣು ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಯಾರಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ intense heat of the sun, strong winds, heavy rain, animals and plants waste, decaying of animals and plants waste. Now comes importance of the soil. Plant cannot grow without soil since it provides essential salt and mineral water and other nutrients to the plant. Yes, soil provides essential salt and mineral water and other nutrients to the plant. It also holds the plant firmly in the ground. The more nutrient content in the soil, the higher its fertility. Fertile soil is good for crops. Different regions have different soils which vary in their color, nature, texture and type. Different types of soil support growth of different types of plants. So, India has a large variety of soils and thus grows a huge variety of crops. Different types of soil found in India. See students, alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, montane soil and desert soil. See students, first we will see montane soil. Montane soil in the mountainous region, desert soil found in desert region, alluvial soil almost in central India and eastern and western India also. Laterite soil found in central India and western India. Red soil found in eastern and southern India. Black soil is found in Deccan plateaus. Now comes first one is alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is highly fertile and is formed by the deposition of silt or alluvium by the Ganga, Satluj and Brahmaputra river. It is highly suitable for crops like rice, sugarcane, bananas, maize, wheat, jute, pulses, oilseeds, and vegetables. Coastal plains are irrigated by several rivers and grows excellent quality of rice. The delta region along the coastals are also rich in alluvial soil. Rice is largely cultivated in the deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri rivers in peninsular India. Thus, they are also called the rice bowl of India. Now, Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh, which rich alluvial soil and good irrigation facilities, produce large quantities of wheat and are together called the wheat bowl of India. Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh together called the wheat bowl of India. Now comes desert soil. Desert soil, just as the name suggests, desert soil is found in the desert and is sandy in nature and texture. It is not a very fertile soil. However, with the help of irrigation facilities in desert regions, crops grown such as dates, gram, barley, maize, and millets show good growth. In India, desert soil found in the Thar Desert, which extend from Rajasthan to the north part of Gujarat. Now comes black soil. Black soil, also called black lava soil, is formed from the lava rock over a period of thousands of years. This soil is very fertile and also has a good capacity to hold the water. Black soil is mostly found in the Deccan Plateau region over large areas of Maharashtra, Gujarat and western Madhya Pradesh. It is suitable for crops such as cotton, wheat, millets, sugarcane, tobacco, chili, and oil seeds. Now comes red soil. Red soil is rich in iron, hence has a reddish tinge. It is not a very fertile soil. Red soil is fit for crops such as red gram, Bengal gram, green gram, groundnuts and castor seeds. Red soil mostly found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh and parts of Maharashtra. It also found in the northeastern states of India such as Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. This soil is found, red soil is found in these states. So students, in this video we have learned the formation and importance of soil and different types of soil. Thank you. Have a nice day.